Hello, welcome back sa ating channel. For today's video, naghahanap ka ba ng magandang platform or bagong platform na pwede mong itry for copy trading, something like that, guys. So itong Coinex pwede nyong itry, no? So Coinex Wallet, Coinex Explorer, Coinex Smart Chain, Coinex Charity, available din dito sa Coinex. May mga guides na din how to sign up, deposit, and trade. Get started with Coinex on how to buy crypto, spot trading tutorial, swap trading tutorial, future trading tutorial, and financial account tutorial. So available yan lahat dito, and how to buy an OTP, how to complete ID verification, lahat ng katanungan mo is on the video na, guys. Okay, so newcomer zone, pwede nyo itry lahat yan dito sa ating Coinex. And then dito, pwede kayo makapag-earn up to 40% referral rewards sa referral. So ambassador, pwede kayo mag-apply dyan. VIP, enjoy an array of exclusive VIP privilege. And then broker, guys, earn competitive rebates, academy for tutorials, and para mag-grow kayo dito sa ating Coinex sa pagtitrade ng crypto. Okay? So promotion, trade board, deposit bonus, and then also minings. So airdrop station, pwede kayo mag-try dito na tumaya or maggawa ng mga quest. Ayan. So future bootcamp, learn and share. So $10,000 in cashback voucher. Learn to earn to 5 USDT if you want to join that. So safeguard your account, learn and earn 20,000 USDT in cashback voucher, 5 USDT, and become an anti-fraud expert. Learn and earn 20,000 USDT in cashback voucher. Learn to earn 5 USDT ulit. So medyo mga mababa lang, pero sure ka naman na may airdropan ka ng mga airdrop dito, guys. So finance, financial staking, AA and loans available, future trading, copy trading, demo trading, contract data, and market. So let's visit copy trading, guys. Wow, so the copy trading 30 days ROI. 30 days ROI, and may mga ROI pa, no? Solid, alam mo kung kailan ka makakapag-profit. And then the minimum, check natin. So years track record, so reserve, currency 1,300 ang holdings niya, guys. Pwede kayong mag-login dito and then verify your ID na lang gamit yung mga Gmail nyo. Solid pala, no? Solid din. Kasi may ROI siya nakalagay eh. Compare sa iba. Exchange, swap, spot trading, available, pre-token trading. Ito yung parang ano to, demo, strategic trading. Ayan. So market overview, data, feed, and insight. Kompleto naman, may P2P trading pa tayo dito on third-party trading. Kung maglalabas ka ng crypto at gagawin mong GCash, so meron din dito sa Coinex. Make sure lang na naka-verify ang ID mo kung gagamit ka ng P2P, kung magka-cash in or cash out ka gamit ang GCash or any bank transfer, guys. So choose lead trader, set copy parameters, copy lead trader operation. Ito ang ating Coinex. So kung gusto niyo i-try ito, walang mawawala, no? So gusto niyo subukan, go lang, and then investment, you know, for to lose lang lagi pagdating sa crypto. So again, maraming salamat. Bye-bye.